Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Yidio's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Yidio's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Yidio application. The home page of Yidio application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top right side of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Settings. You will end up on the settings page of Yidio's account. Tap on Delete Account option at the end of the page. Tap on Delete in the text input field to delete your account and then tap on arrow icon. This is how you can delete your Yidio's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.